So as I was looking at our gutter system, I walked by here and thought I should probably check the sump pump. And my sump pump comes out right here. I moved this because the people who lived here before me thought that was a pretty hiding place. Anyway, and when I moved that, I noticed down here that my sump is not connected. My sump discharge is not connected to the street drain anymore. So what I'm gonna have to do is get a 3-inch pipe and a repair coupling and repair that so that it goes straight into it. The reason that that's important is because water coming out of my sump pump is supposed to be directed to the street drains. That keeps water away from my foundation and keeps cracking at a minimum. So what I want to make sure is that the water that's coming out here is not pooling in here and then draining back to the foundation. So I'm gonna have to fix that.